Hello again, my name is Marcelo and today I'm going to be doing project Euler problem number 5. This one is pretty simple, should be pretty quick to do as well. Just asks you to find the smallest positive number that is evenly divisible, so that is that has no remainders, by all the numbers from 1 to 20, and it gives an example of 2520 as the smallest number that can be divided from 1 to 10 without any remainder. Uh, if you read correctly, it's just pretty easy to guess that this is just the least common multiple formula. But we can try and do the brute force way just to see what it looks like. So I'm going to be doing this in Python. Again, you can use whatever programming language you want. But again, this should be pretty straightforward to do. We can just start a variable with a value of 20. And then we do an infinite loop until it finds, with some condition here, it should find and just break out of it. And if it does, it prints I. Otherwise, we can just increase I by 1 and then try it again. Our condition here, we can just check that all of the numbers in a list comprehension, so I should be divisible by all of the divisors in a range of 1 to 20, 20 included. And this should actually be enough, but this is super slow. So some things you can do to optimize this: we don't need to check all the numbers starting from 1, we can do from 11 because all of the numbers from 1 to 10 are covered from the numbers between 11 and 20. And you also don't need to start from 20 since you know that the smallest number that can accommodate the first 10 is 2520. And we don't need to verify that one by one as well, because you know that it should be divisible by 20, and since 2520 is divisible by 20, we can just increase by 20 at a time. And I can run this here, but then again, it should be super slow, so it's not even worth waiting for, kind of for what it is. One thing you can do to optimize this is that instead of using a list comprehension here, we can just do a lambda function, and inline function that is going to be lazy, with a map over a lambda function. And we just keep the digit and we use the same formula here. We're actually missing this part for the divisible by 0. And then we can just send this as a parameter and swap this. So this should be a little bit better because now it's optimized to be lazy, so that it wouldn't actually have to generate all of the numbers in the list comprehension. Still, it's not going to be very fast, I suppose. I'm not even sure. Let's see if this is correct. It's calling a map, and then it's passing the range as a parameter. And then it's checking that I mod 2 this. So yeah, we get the answer here, but this took a long time. So since this is Python 3.9, we can actually import a new function which is called least common multiple, and actually kind of cheat here and just print the least common multiple of range from 11 to 20. 1, of course, since and you just need to spread it out the arguments here, and I think this should be pretty quick as well. So if we just were to gonna call it here, see, this is almost instant. Again, just figure out that it's a least common multiple, finding it out. It's kind of a cheating. You could try and implementing your own least common multiple function. It's not that complicated. You can find resources online. If you like this problems, the next one is going to be a little bit better. For now, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment if you want to see anything different happening in this channel. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye.